Hello friends, I Sujata Suthar. Today we learn operators in C programming language. Now what is an operator? An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical functions. C language is rich in built-in operators and provides the following types of operators: arithmetic operators, conditional operators, bitwise operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, increment and decrement operators, and special operators. Now, first we explain arithmetic operators. These are the symbol for arithmetic operators. The following table shows all the arithmetic operators supported by the C language. Let me assume variable A holds 10 value and variable B holds 20 value. Then add two operands. For example, A plus B means 10 plus 20. Then result is equal to 30. Then subtract second operand from the first. A minus B means 10 minus 20, then result is equal to minus 10, then multiplies both operands. A multiply by B, that means 10 multiply by 20, then result is equal to 200, divides numerator by denominator. B divided by A, that means 20 divided by 10, then result is equal to 2, modulus operator and remainder of after an integer division. B modulus by A, that means 20 modulus by 10, then result is equal to 0. Then increment operator increase the integer value by 1, that means 10 plus plus 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Decrement operator decrease the integer value by 1, that means A minus minus means 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Try the following example to understand all the arithmetic operator available in C. For example, has include stdio.h main integer A is equal to 21, B is equal to 10, then integer C, then C is equal to A plus B, then print the value of C, then C is equal to A minus B, then print the value of C, then C is equal to A multiply by B, then print the result of C, then C is equal to A divided by B, then print the result of C, then C is equal to A modulus by B, then print the result of C, then C is equal to A plus plus, then print the result of C, then C is equal to A minus minus, then print the result of C. Then when you compile and execute the above program, it produces following result. Line 1, value of C is equal to 31. Line 2, value of C is equal to 11. Line 3, value of C is equal to 210. Line 4, value of C is equal to 2. Line 5, value of C is equal to 1. Line 6, value of C is equal to 21. Line 7, value of C is equal to 22. Now, next is conditional operator. The first operand is implicitly converted to bool data type. It is evaluate and all side effects are completed before continuing. Operator that work on three operands, it is called ternary operator. And conditional operator is also known as ternary operator. And ternary operator used with pair, question marks and colon. Now, syntax of ternary operator: expression 1, question marks, expression 2, colon, expression 3. Where expression 1 is condition, expression 2 is statement follow if condition is true, expression 2 is statement follow if condition is false. Expression 1 is nothing but boolean condition. For example, it result into either true or false. If result of expression 1 is true, then expression 2 is executed. Expression 1 is said to be true if its result is non-zero. If result of expression 1 is false, then expression 3 is executed. Expression 1 is said to be false if its result is 0. Then example of conditional operator. C program to find largest among two number using ternary operator. Has include stdio.h, integer main, curly brace open, variable declaration, integer number 1 is equal to 5, number 2 is equal to 10, then max, largest among n1 and n2. Max is equal to n1 greater than n2, question mark n1 colon n2. n1 greater than n2 is called expression 1, question marks n1 is called expression 2, colon n2 is called expression 3. Then print the largest number. Printf largest number between %d and %d is %d. Then n1, n2 and max. Then return 0. Then main function close. Then above output will be display largest number between 5 and 10 is 10 because n1 greater than n2 means 5 greater than 10. If expression 1 is true, then evaluate expression 2. If expression 1 is false, then evaluate expression 3. In this case, n1 means 5 greater than n2, that means 10. 5 greater than 10, then expression 1 is false, so expression 3 is evaluated. Bitwise operator. These operators are used to perform bit operations on given two variables. It is based on the principle of performing operations bit by bit, which is based on Boolean algebra. It increases the processing speed and hence the efficiency of the program. These are the symbol for bitwise operator: bitwise AND, bitwise exclusive OR, bitwise XOR, left shift, right shift, bitwise NOT means one's complement. Now we can see the example of bitwise operator. First, bitwise AND. These are the table for bitwise AND. Bit A 0011, bit B 0101, then result of A and B 0001. The bitwise AND operator is a single AND person. It is just a representation of AND which does its work on the bits on the operands rather than the truth value of the operands. Bitwise binary AND does the logical AND as shown in the table above of the bit in each position of a number in its binary form. For instance, working with a bit, for example, bit A 11001000, then bit B A10111000, then result is equal to 0101001. The most significant bit of the first number is 1 and that of second number is also 1. So the most significant bit of the result is 1. In the second most significant bit, the bit of second number is 0. So we have the result as 0. Then bitwise OR. These are the table of bitwise OR. Bit A 0011, bit B 0101, then result of A or B 0111. Similar to bitwise AND, bitwise OR only operates at bit level. Its result is a 1 if one of the either bits is 1 and 0 only when both bits are 0. Its symbol is OR, which can be called a pipe. For example, bit A 11001000, bit B 10111000, then result is 0001111. Then after bitwise XOR. This is the table for bitwise XOR. Bit A 0011, bit B 0101, then A XOR B, result of A XOR B 0110. The bitwise XOR exclusive OR performs a logical XOR function which is equivalent to adding two bits and discarding the carry. The result is 0 only when we have two zeros or two ones. XOR can be used to toggle the bit between 1 and 0. Thus, I is equal to I exclusive 1 when used in a loop toggles its value between 1 and 0. For example, bit A 1100100, bit B 101110000, then result is equal to 00001110. Then after bitwise NOT, in bitwise NOT table display, bit A 01, then complements of A 10. The ones complement or the bitwise complements gets us the complement of a given number. Thus, we get the bits inverted for every bit 1, the result is bit 0. And conversely, for every bit 0, we have a bit 1. This operation should not be confused with logical negation. For example, A complement, bit A complement 11001000, then result is equal to 11101100. Then shift operators. There are two bitwise shift operators. They are right shift and left shift. First is right shift. The symbol of right shift operator is double greater than sign. For its operation, it requires two operands. It shifts each bit in its left operand to the right. The number following the operator decides the number of places the bits are shifted. For example, the right operand. Then left shift. It shifts each bit in its left-hand operand to the left by the number or positions indicated by the right-hand operand. It works opposite to that of right shift operators. Next is relational operators. Relational operators are used to find the relation between two variables. For example, to compare the values of two variables in C program, if the relation is true, relation operator give result as true. For example, 1. If relation is false, then relational operator give result as false. For example, 0. Relational operators output is always 0, false or 1, true only. Then these are the table for relational operator, symbol, description and its example. This operator check if value of two operands are equal or not. If yes, then condition becomes true. For example, A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. Then A is equal to B is not true. Then check if value of two operands are equal or not. If the value are not equal, then condition becomes true. Then A is not equal to B, it is true. Then greater than sign, check if the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true. For example, A greater than B is not true. Then less than sign, check if the value of left operand is less than the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true. For example, A less than B is true. Then greater or equals to, check if the value of left operand is greater than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true. For example, A greater than equal to B is not true. Then less or equals to, check if the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. For example, A greater than less or equals to B is true. Now these are the example of relational operator. Has include stdio.h, then integer main, then variable is integer a comma b, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. Printf relational operator output and printf a greater than b is percentage %d and a less than b. Printf a greater is equal to b, a less or equals to b is percentage %d and a less or equals to b. Then printf a equal to b is percentage %d and a equal to b. Printf a is not equal to b is percentage %d and a is not equal to b. printf a greater than b is percentage d and a greater than b, then printf a greater or equal to b is percentage d and a greater equal to b, then return 0. Then above example output will be displayed a less than b is 1, a less or equals to b is 1, then a is equal to b is 0, then a is not equal to b is 1, then a greater than b is 0, then a greater equal to b is 0. Then after logical operator, it refers to the Boolean value which can be expressed as binary logical operations which involves two variables and or unary logical operations not. Then these are the symbol for the logical operator. Following table show all the logical operators supported by C language. Assume variable A holds 1 and variable B holds 0. Then first operator is called logical AND operator. If both the operands are non-zero, then condition becomes true. For example, A and B is false. Then second one is the call logical OR operator. If any of if any of the two operand is non-zero, then the condition becomes true. For example, A or B is true. Then next is called logical NOT operator. It is used to reverse the logical state of this operand. If condition is true, then logical NOT operator will make it false. For example, is not A and B is true. Now, this is the example of logical operator. Has include stdio.h main, integer a is equal to 5, integer b is equal to 20, c is integer c. Then if a and b, then printf line 1 condition is true. If a or b, then printf condition is true. Then a is equal to 0, then b is equal to 10. Then if a and b, then printf condition is true. Else printf condition is not true. Then if not A and B, then condition is true. Then above output result will be displayed. Line 1 condition is true, line 2 condition is true, line 3 condition is not true, then line 4 condition is true. Now next is assignment operator. It is used to assign a particular value to a variable. We will discuss it in detail in later section with its shorthand notation. Then there are two category of assignment operators in C language. They are first simple assignment operator, then second compound assignment operator. Then these are the symbol of assignment operator equal to, then sum is equal to 10, then 10 is assigned to value, 10 is assigned to variable sum, then plus is equal to, it is also called shorthand assignment operator. Sum plus is equal to 10, this is same as sum is equal to sum plus 10. Then sum minus is equal to 10, this is same as sum is equal to sum minus 10. Then sum multiply is equal to 10, this is same as sum is equal to sum multiply 10. Sum divide is equal to 10, this is same as sum is equal to sum divide by 10. Then next sum modulus is equal to 10, this is same as sum is equal to sum modulus by 10. Then sum and percentage is equal to 10, this is same as sum is equal to sum and percentage n. Then sum exclusive is equal to 10, then this is same as sum is equal to sum exclusive 10. Then these are the example of assignment operator. Has include stdio.h, integer main, then integer total is equal to 0, then I, then for I is equal to 0, I less than 10, then I plus plus, then total plus is equal to I, that means total is equal to total plus I. Then printf total is equal to percentage d, then total, then above program output will be display 45. In this program value from 0 to 9 are sum up to and total 45 is display as output. Assignment operators such as equal to and plus equal to are used in this program. Assign the value and the sum of increment and decrement operators. Increment operators are used to increase the value of the variable by 1, and decrement operators are used to decrease the value of the variable by 1 in C programs. Both increment and decrement operator are used on a single operand or variable, so it is called as a unary operator. Unary operators are having higher priority than the other operators. It means unary operators are executed before other operators. The syntax of increment and decrement operator: plus plus is called increment operator, minus minus is called decrement operator. Increment and decrement operators are cannot apply on constant. For example, x is equal to 4 plus plus. It is given error because 4 is constant. Then types of increment operator: pre-increment and post-increment. Now we can see the pre-increment operators. Pre-increment operator first increment the value of variable and then use inside the expression, means initialize into another variable. Syntax of pre-increment operators: plus plus variable name semicolon. For example, has include stdio.h, has include conio.h, then void main curly brace open integer x I is equal to 10, then x is equal to plus plus I, then print x, then print I, get ch, main function is closed. Then this example output will be display x is equal to 11, then I is equal to 11. Then post increment operators. Post increment operator first value of variable is used in the expression, initialize into another variable and then increment the value of variable. The syntax of post increment operators: variable plus plus then semicolon. For example, has include stdio.h, has include conio.h, void main, then integer x I is equal to 10, then x is equal to I plus plus, then print x, then print y, then get ch, then main function is closed. Then above example output will be display x is equal to 10, then I is equal to 11. Then special operators. Now this symbol is used for special operators and percentage. This is used to get the address of the variable. For example, n percentage a will give an address of a. The next is, this is used as a pointer to a variable. Example, pointer a, where pointer is asterisk sign is pointer to the variable a. Then next is size of. This gives the size of variable. For example, size of character will give us 1. Now we can see the example of special operators. First, example program for end of end percentage and pointer operator in C. In this program, end percentage symbol is used to get the address of the variable, and pointer symbol is used to get the value of the variable that the pointer is pointing to. For example, has include stdio.h, integer main, integer pointer p, q is equal to 50, address of q is assigned to pointer. So ptr is equal to n percentage q. Display q is value using ptr variable. So printf percentage d pointer ptr return 0. Then above program output will be display as a 50. Then another example is size of operator. Then size of operator is used to find the memory space allocated for each C data types. For example, has include stdio.h, has include limits.h, then integer main, then integer a, character b, float c, double d. Now print the size of variable integer a is 4. Then after print the size of character b variable is 1. Then after print the size of float variable c is equal to 4. Then size of variable double d is equal to 8. Thank you.